How to delete Instagram chat from both sides. So there is only one thing you can do when you want to delete chat. So basically individual messages. So let's say you sent a media to someone, just go ahead and hold press, and once you hold press you will be able to see the unsend button. So this will disappear from their chat and from your chat. So as you can see, the singular and individual message is now gone. But if you want to delete the entire chat from both sides, then unfortunately, you can't really do this. You can't delete an entire Instagram chat from both sides in one go just using Instagram. There are some partial ways, which is what we just shown, but Instagram doesn't support the unsending entire conversation option, so you can't delete every message in a chat for both sides all at once through the official Instagram app. So deleting a conversation only removes it from your inbox and the other person still keeps their copy. Again, you cannot delete messages that the other person sent from their side as well, only your own messages via unsent. But that's only the information we can give to you for now, since there aren't any other official methods, since the third-party apps are risky and dangerous for you. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.